Alright traders, hope you guys did well today. It looks like I've joined the dark side. Here's another short today on RCII. This is not necessarily my wheelhouse, but you gotta adapt to what the market's telling you to. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright traders, ADIL is popping up. This one is the only stock really popping up. Unfortunately, there's no shorts at TD Ameritrade. Also no shorts at CMAG on this one. But what are we looking for? We got tough resistance around $4, $4.15. From all the way 6 months ago and the prior few weeks here, we got a lot of resistance up around $4, $4.15. So this is certainly a good short if it could come up to those levels. But like I was telling the guys this morning, because everything is getting shorted so heavily, we saw that yesterday with BIOC came all the way back down, MRIN came all the way back down, AETI all the way back down. Everything that pops up goes all the way back down. Shorts are all over everything. And not only that, the market conditions are rough. The Fed is speaking later today at 2 p.m. RCI, we're seeing an upper shadow up to near 14.15, which is pre-market highs. I'm going to go ahead and take a short on it at 14.04. This is a starter position, just 200 shares. I could be getting in a little early on this one, but I really like it because we got a lot of tough resistance. So we had a big gap down yesterday from 14.50. Now we got 14.27, 13 EMA, 14.36, 50 day. So we had a huge gap down, and now we're approaching all those key resistance areas again. You guys know I love multiple areas of support and resistance, and that's why I'm trading this one. So that's my first entry on it. If it cracks $14, I'm even going to add to it. Looks like it's about to crack, so I'm going to add 100 shares right here at 14.01. And the reason I can tell it's about to crack is just by looking at the bids. They're getting really thinned out. See, just like that. Now, where's my stop on this? If this breaks up through 14.15, the pre-market highs, that's where I'm going to be out. I don't want to see it breaking the pre-market highs. ADIL, this one is popping up. Now, I was telling the traders earlier that there could be a massive short squeeze coming upon us soon, just because shorts are getting it really easy right now. And when they get comfortable and complacent and everything that pops up, they just short and it fades off the rest of the day. One of these days, we're going to see something U-shaped, do a red to green move, break out, and just squeeze the heck out of some shorts. I'm not saying that could be ADIL. It just could be any stock. We just got to keep our eyes out for some of that price action. MRIN, this one is doing a U-shape. Red to green move is sitting at 364 right now. I'm going to take 200 off the table on RCII. Let 100 ride out. This is the mistake I made yesterday. I didn't let some of the shares ride out. I'm going to let 100 ride out and just see if this continues to fade throughout the day. My stop's going to be above this VWAP. I don't really want it back above 14 bucks. This is going against my emotions because I really like taking all my profits off the table. But I need to be smart and just let this ride out. I think this could fade off, so be smart about it, Kevin. Alright, I had to come back, guys. I'm hoping MRIN, this one will pop back up near 450, 487 would be ideal. That's the 200-day moving average here. Looking to see if this one can pop up. I do have shorts on it on TD Ameritrade. I'm going to take a starter position on MRIN, 437. I don't know who the heck calls me all the time. If you guys can call that number and tell them to stop. I have a starter position at 437. It's holding the 9 and VWAP pretty good here. I'm going to lock in it all right here, right around this VWAP area. Not sure if it's going to bounce there or not. Just took it all. And just like that, guys, easy peasy, good opportunity to come in here before I shut it all down. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you learned something. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.